Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a chat in Microsoft Teams. So you are working in your organization and you have a ton of different chats to attend to, but there's a few specific chats that you want to be on top, something like your favorite so that you have quick access to them. You don't have to scroll through and look for those chats, but you want to pin them to the top so that you can have quick access. All you have to do is to find the chat that whether you're currently in the chat or not, find the chat, then look towards the right hand side and you'll find three dots. Click on that and here you have pin. You click on pin and you will see that there's a pin section that's going to appear, and all of those chats will now be under the pinned section, and those normally pin to the top, and so you'll have all of those chats pin to the top under the pin section so that you can quickly access them. And that's it. Yeah, I believe you have a certain amount of chats that you can pin. I don't quite remember if it's 15. I'm gonna just quickly check it. How many pin chats can you have in MS Teams? Right, I'm gonna search that on my second screen just to give you full context. And here you have it, guys. You can have up to 15 pin chats in Microsoft Teams. So there you have it. I hope you found this useful. That's how you can easily pin chats in Microsoft Teams. You have 15 pin chats that you can pin there. So I hope that you use your 15 slots or spots. Very useful, and so you can easily pin your chats in Microsoft Teams. Hope you found this useful. Thank you guys for your time, and give this video a like and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.